Should I buy now, or do you think the rates are going to get lower? And if so, should I wait until then to buy? Because obviously lower rates is going to mean a more affordable home payment, right? Not really. So the answer that I've been given to that question, and I get that question not daily, but at least 2 to 3 times a week as I talk to people, is that I think that the rates are going to continue to get lower, but I also think as the rates get lower, more people are going to come into the market. There's going to be more buyers competing and buying for the houses that are on the market. And so when that happens, I think there's a couple of things that's going to take place that's going to have a negative impact on some of the people that are wanting to buy a home, especially those that maybe aren't flush with cash and they're needing some assistance from the seller in terms of seller paid closing costs. And what I think is going to happen is prices are going to go up. Law of supply and demand, more buyers, less houses, more competition is going to drive the prices up. The sellers can get more for their house. At the same time, with more people wanting to buy the houses and more competition and more people putting offers in on the houses, you're going to have some of those people offering to buy the house without seller paid closing costs. So the sellers are going to be able to sell the home without offering concessions and seller paid closing costs, and maybe even not even wanting to pay the buyer's real estate commission. And that's money out of the buyer's pocket in some cases. And so my thoughts on the matter is, while the rates have dipped some and the purchasing power of your dollar is a little bit more right now, but yet there's more to come, before the feeding frenzy, before more people start realizing that the rates are getting better and they decide to join the party in terms of wanting to buy a home, now's a good time to go ahead and jump in ahead of that and go ahead and purchase your house at a good rate. And if the market continues to get better, like some people are thinking, and we get down in the 4s and we get down, I don't know that we're going to get much lower than that, but there are some people floating down upper 3s. And so if that does happen and the opportunity presents itself to make the home payment more affordable with a lower interest rate and a lower payment every month, then you can take advantage of that. But if you can get in above the feeding frenzy or before the feeding frenzy, then you can get the sellers to maybe pay some closing costs, to pay some concessions, and maybe be a little bit more flexible on the price. And so getting into the home for most people that I talk to is the most important thing. So my suggestion is get into the home, and then let's take care of the rest of it later. I hope this helps.